Darlings, so I'm going to show you what products I've been using over the past 6 days to get my skin from the picture you've just seen to this glowing king. First up, I'm taking the Ole Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. This is brand new and I've been using this like about 3 times a week and I absolutely love it. It's a physical exfoliant, but it's also a chemical exfoliant, so they both work together to give you a really smooth skin. It helps get rid of texture. The chemical exfoliants help buff away any acne scarring. This product is probably my favorite product because it's just really helped me over the past 6 days. It smells amazing. I've got sensitive skin, but I found that this doesn't irritate me. You can leave this on as like a little mask as well, 2 to 3 minutes. If your skin's not sensitive, you can leave it on a little bit longer or a little bit less as well. But I highly recommend this. It's just absolutely insane. I love it. So I left it on for 3 minutes. This has got sugar in it, so that's the physical exfoliant. It's got glycolic and lactic acid in, so that's your chemical exfoliants, and it's also got lemon peel powder in there as well. So again, they're all working together to give you the best skin of your life. So next I'm taking the Ole Henriksen Glow Dark Spot Toner. If you've never tried this, you are missing out. This is an amazing toner. It's got a 7-day thing. Within 7 days you're supposed to see results, so I feel like this mixed with the scrub has really worked together. I just absolutely love this toner. It's amazing for the lines and wrinkles, any texture you've got. You have to use this on a night, but if you do use it, you need to use it SPF during the day. So next I'm going in with Fenty Skin Fat Water. This is incredible. It's packed full of niacinamide, so it's amazing for if you've got like oily skin or combination skin. Helps with your pores. It adds a bit of hydration, and I'm also using Cosrx. I can't pronounce it. It's basically snail mucin. This is a new one that I've been using, but I found it so hydrating. It's supposed to be really rejuvenating, and these two together are just such a perfect concoction. I've really been loving using these two together. So next I'm going in with my tried and trusted Kate McIver. This is the limited edition serum. This is amazing for hydration, rejuvenation. This has got frankincense in it, so it helps to prevent any breakouts. I use this on and off, and I should start using it more, but this just helps to seal everything in, give me a little bit more of a serum protection, and I just love using it. I've been using it for years and it's amazing. So then finally, moisturizers. I like to mix up my moisturizers. I don't really stick to one. I've been loving the P. Louise one. It's amazing. It packs in hydration. It lets all the other ingredients and skincare that I've been using work. The Fenty Skin one I tend to use during the day because it's got SPF in it, and the night one, that's got more skincare in it as well. The night one's amazing, but yeah, I tend to use the P. Louise one. I just love it. It feels amazing on the skin and it gives you such a beautiful glow. So next up I'm going in with eye cream. I don't tend to stick to one eye cream, and I probably should, to be fair, but this is the Ole Henriksen one. It gives me such a bright under eye. It's amazing underneath makeup. I do use the P. Louise one as well. That's so beautiful. I do love a good eye cream, and I'm on the market for another good one. But yeah, as you can see, glowing skin. Yeah guys, this is how I cleared my skin up in 6 days. Hope you love.